Hey guys, I've got Con here.
Yo!
On the second part of the video on driving the car.
Oh.
Con, you know Con, something, huh? I never liked the Civic.
You never did.
Before.
But you look like a...
This is the thing.
Yeah.
I never... Sorry, how does it like? I won't say I never liked it.
Yeah.
I always saw the kids with Civic when I was growing up.
Yeah.
As the kids staying in PJ.
The
father got money. But then my Civic. So I hated them.
Oh, really? You know, when I was in school or in college days, right? The Civic has reached a stage whereby, wow, this is the car that I'm going to buy when I make it.
No, but it's
life.
like because they have it, I like shit, man. They got Civic. I hated it. So I always hated Civic for the.
Oh, apologies for that.
So I always hated Civic for the fact. But in 2016, 16 correct. Just before I bought my Audi, I was very close to buying the. Is it the FC back then?
The FC, yes.
So,
yes, I remember this story. Yes.
So I saw the FC and I was like, oh my god, the FC was so beautiful. The lights, I was just dead set to buy the FC. I remember that day, I went there with my checkbook. I folded the check on my wallet, put inside. I put the 5,000 ringgit deposit. I went to pay the deposit, drove the car, hated it, came back out. Because the 1.5 turbo had the whole CVT gearbox and it was just like revving, wee.
Yeah.
So I was like so disappointed. The car looks good, interior was okay, but the drive was not to my liking. And then this one I got like, oh, another Civic. But you know what? Like you know me I like my Audi interior.
Yeah.
This interior is so nice.
Hey bro, honestly, before this right, I've always commented that Honda interiors are amongst the most practical in the segment lah.
The way they use the space is good.
Yes, but before this, their weakness has always been the selection of materials. It's like you look at you touch and feel the dashboard as oh, they're saying.
I mean, this is no Audi or in terms of the final build quality, final material quality. But the 80% there. But this is the thing, like my video on the reviewing the car, walking around. My comment was, BMW and Mercedes, please learn from Honda. I thought I will never say that because why? The way they place the dials, where it is.
Oh yes.
What needs to be a button and what needs to be a knob. What needs to be a touch screen.
Yes.
The home button is physical dial.
Oh yes. You know, in my 10 over years of reviewing cars, right? I will say this. Honda cabins are amongst the easiest for me to get in and settle down. And you know, like within 2 or 3 minutes, suss out the whole cabin and figure out how things works. Previous gen BMWs was also right up there, but now the new ones with all the complex iDrives, these take a bit more learning. But
so for me, I'm a tech nerd lah. I like all the buttons here and there. It took me a while to get to know the car, and I loved it. The fact on the stock here, look at this press button here.
Oh, the
side mirror.
The what they call it?
Side mirror, camera, mirror.
Yes.
So and then like all the buttons, for example, like the like BM had the collision and all that security over here, down here. So to get to know the car, you get to like experience, fall in love with the car slowly. I love the experience.
But they really have upped the material selection, man. Now, you see, in this price segment lah, the I believe the standards for design material selection is Mazda, right? Civic FC was here, but Civic FE is now here. Now
I would say the FE and the Mazda, like if I want to put who's above one another, Mazda is only higher because the material choice they use is more leather and more what feels like proper aluminium stuff, versus here is pure plastic. But it's more of
but the build quality has improved so much.
But it's like I could be happy with both materials. It's like not here, not there. So it's almost on par, you know. So
And honestly, the Civic, right? This is I had a chance to drive a customer's car recently.
Oh, you did? Oh.
Yeah. I just didn't have time to film the video, but I was like, you know, wow, they improved this car so much.
And then when you go on road undulation and stuff, the way it absorbs the impacts, fantastic.
Yes.
This car's like you know, like from from Federal Highway to
Yes.
Taman Desa, they're
Yes.
doing the whole construction work. I know you go there every day, right?
Yes.
It's a bad road, and this
Correct.
car was beautiful. That piece.
When this Civic FE first came out, right? I think everybody was very underwhelmed by the design because you know how fierce looking the FC was, right? And then we come to this side, we thought, oh, this is going to be another Civic FB lah. But it turns out that Honda put their money where it counts, right? They made the design matured, restrained, but they really upped the game in the interior.
I mean, they have to make it different lah. I mean, if you talk about the EQS, the Mercedes, people say, oh, it doesn't look stately enough. But you have to go on different tangent, like the nose a bit slopey. This is a new era lah, and you have to live with that. And I love the fact all here black interior, bro. Everything about this car is what I like about interiors. The way it drives, you see, it's so nice. The CVT gearbox, people say, oh, CVT, I hate CVT. But I'm not feeling the whole sponginess on normal town driving. It's totally fine.
But honestly, right, a lot of people ask on our live shows, Civic or Mazda 3 or whatever, right? It's very difficult to argue against the Civic. It's just very difficult to argue against the Civic.
I never thought I would say that lah. I was a Mazda fanboy lah. Now shit, Civic is pretty good lah.
You can't argue against it in every measurable objective metric.
The back space is better than a 3 Series. 3 Series loses to the Civic FE.
Civic has always beaten the 3 Series in terms of rear space. But this is just such a difficult package to argue against.
And then you know how I like also gadget right now? One of my thing about I like about cars is that when the center cluster is beautiful, like meter and all that stuff. This thing has got the LCD display, and obviously one side is LCD, one side is not, but both look the same. Look at that.
Quite even.
But the best part that this is, name me a car that has got navigation on the cluster meter itself. Very few cars has that.
Not at this price range lah.
But bro, this one you put on your Android Auto, it tells you turn left and stuff, and it's linked to Android Auto. Like you see Audi, for example. Audi systems are linked with their own navigation system. It's not the Android Auto. This is Android Auto. What the hell do this?
Wow.
Wait, it gets better. I did the test. Wait, probably mind blown. On your video, put the aircon at high velocity lah. Okay. Then you know how when you're on Android Auto, you got a call coming in, or say you got a WhatsApp message coming in. It will say a message from Horizon, and then you tap to read out loud. Correct. So you want to reply, and I say yes. When I say yes, because my audio is going to go and get to the system. Guess what the car does?
It drops the aircon.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my god!
In the Civic!
I'm like, what the?
What?
I don't even know if Volvo does that.
Wow!
Try it out. I'm like,
it doesn't matter. Even if Volvo does that, so what? This is a Civic, bro.
And see, like with the Toyota, this center system over here, it's separate. You can just go to a company and put in. It's a plug and play.
This is integrated.
See, trip meter is there. Your range, and even if you on your aircon, for example, it tells you certain stuff that's off and on. It actually indicates there. So it's actually linked to the car.
It's an integrated system.
So, and it tells me they could do more, but they've pulled back the dial and what they want to integrate the system over here.
Yes.
So and even see the meter is linked. This is linked. The car is linked. This is a proper Continental setup, bro.
Oh yeah, no two ways about it, man. I mean, I think
look at the dials over here. You know how Audi has the dials over there? Now if I press this, you can't see it, sorry. See audio, phone, navigation. It tells me my navigation. If I exactly Audi.
And it's all laid out in such an easy to use and intuitive manner. It's lovely.
The only way this car could be better if some aftermarket company would make like tips or stick-on stuff to make the pedal shifters have got aluminium bits there. Hint. If some company out there made like stickers and you stick on the pedal shifters and make like aluminium filling on the knobs here. Put a aluminium stuff and put on top of this. If they made that, you know, 3D print whatever.
Yeah. Yes.
If you made that, like here, take this out and put a whatever there, like an aluminium stuff.
Correct.
Bro, I tell you, this car is twice the money.
Oh, easily, bro. Easily.
This car feels proper $300,000 car.
Easily.
You know, and the drivetrain. Here I'm pulling this. It pulls comfortably. Not even on sport mode.
Yes.
It is so unlike the FC. FC's gearbox was shitty lah. It was just loud and obnoxious and revvy. It was like I'm paying more than 100k for this engine and the gearbox. I was like, I cannot stomach it lah. You know, and that's where I went for the hybrid A6. I said no, I'm not buying that. You know, proper man.
Honda has really built themselves a winner here.
Yeah.
Really.
So again, normally driving video review, I'll talk about how this car definitely understeers because it's a front-wheel drive car. You know, the one thing I would change on this car is the tires on this car is the PS4.
Yeah.
I find the PS4 on this setup a bit noisy because I don't know why. See the car exterior, open the window up and stuff. It has good sound insulation, but the road noise somehow
it just comes up.
It comes out on the PS4 because PS4 actually a hard compound.
Yes.
They grip well, but they're hard compound.
Yes.
I think it'll do better with like a Michelin Energy XM2.
But Honda usually they when it comes to tires, right, especially with the top spec Civic, they give Pilot Presedas, Pilot Sport, this kind of tires one. They want to emphasize the sporting quality of the Civic.
So my only complaint is the tires. I'll probably go for a more comfort oriented tires. Because although this is PS4, when I would do like drive through and kind of twist it in the corners, I find the back somehow throws off. Like this is a sharp turn. If I do this, you can see how the back just slides. So I'm like, why is this sliding? Maybe it's fun.
Isn't that a good thing?
It's a good thing, but I wasn't expecting it to slide, you know, and it's sliding on really sharp turns, like, no. But yeah, other than that, I think it's a great car to have, great car to own. Definitely check it out. You know how in Horizon we have the favorite car of the month or the term or the quarter. This is definitely going up in my list of one of my favorite cars.
No doubt about it.
In this quarter.
It's such a competent car that you know you really have to struggle to find fault in it.
Please. I wish the camera was sharper.
I'm
trying to find faults like basically and I can't. The camera is sufficient, but
hey, it's not bad, you know. It's sharper than Lexus camera.
True.
Okay, it's not Mercedes or BMW camera, but sharper than Lexus.
I agree. and even the drive mode here, selection over here, being on the gear knob, best place to be. I've seen car companies, they put it onto a screen here. Audi. So the Audis, the drive mode is on the screen. Like how would you go there and select when you're driving? Here you're driving and you go and pop, drive mode is there.
And it's a proper color screen there.
Even BMW 3 Series, in their G20 facelift. Sorry, in the G20, it's a button with no indentation to the other buttons there.
Correct.
So you're driving, you can't actually feel. You're driving, you can't feel where it is. Here I'm driving and I go like power mode, and I can come here and I press. I know exactly where it is. I can keep my eye on the road. So I almost feel that the Honda engineers was saying, hey guys, go and find all the car in the world. How do they best put this stuff in and do it that way? I'm so passionate about this because why? They have done a fantastic job laying all the stuff in the proper place.
This one is Honda's strong suit lah. No two ways about it lah.
Okay guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching my video about driving. I didn't do much driving, but it's a good car guys.
It's a good car.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Let's
off this.